Hey everyone, Drew Williams here with Litra. I'm a commercial content creator based in Salt Lake City, Utah, and today I'm super stoked to show you the 3 new drone mounts that Litra has just released. Let's check them out. So the Mavic body mount is really unique. It's mountable both on the top and on the bottom of the Mavic series drones. So the first mountable position I want to show you is actually going to be on the top. When mounting the body mount on the top of the drone, the Q20 that we're going to pay attention to is the very top one. So let's start by grabbing the mount itself and one of the Litra Torch Drone Edition lights, and we're going to screw the Litra Torch onto the very top mount. Let's compensate with that bottom plate to get everything tight in the direction that you want it. To finish installing, grab the rubber strap that comes with the mount and attach it to one side. After we have this side hooked on, let's go ahead and put it on top of the body of the Mavic. And then we will attach the tab that's on the other side. From there, we are done. Our LitraTorch Drone Edition is mounted to the very top of the drone and ready to fly. To install the body mount on the bottom side of the Mavic, we're going to use 2 LitraTorch Drone Editions. Screw one torch onto the Q20 that's on the side. Do the exact same thing on the opposing side. Again, grab that rubber strap that comes with it, hook it onto one side of the teeth, and then go ahead and lift up your drone to install it underneath the body itself. And then let's go ahead and wrap the strap around, locking it into the other side of the teeth. And it's as simple as that. You're done. And be sure to check out Litra.com for a full drone and mount compatibility chart. Another thing I do want to point out is just to make sure that when installing, these rotor paths are not obstructed. Litra isn't responsible for any damage to your drone, yourself, private property, or anyone else around you. It's the owner's and operator's responsibility to make sure that everything is intact and ready to fly safely. These mounts are simply a game changer when using for long exposure photos and painting the night sky. So that's it. It's that easy. It's that simple. If you have any product related questions or if you're interested in purchasing any of these mounts, please visit Litra.com. Also, if you have any drone related questions, I highly suggest downloading the Before You Fly app that's available on both iOS and Android devices. From there, it'll tell you any FAA regulations or local laws to fly and abide by. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.